Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. I'm Mike with Fowler Family Farm. Look at this. Another winter storm. This winter's been very weird, very unexpected. Just kind of odd. We've had and this is not horrible by any means. It's only 27 degrees, so it's not too cold. And I think this is about as bad as it's going to get for us. So not a whole lot of sleet or snow. But we are going to go check on the baby goats, see if we've had any new ones. Oreo could have had hers. We'll just have to go down and look. But I do want to show you guys something real quick. About a week ago, we got something in the mail. We ordered it almost a year ago, and it's taken this long to show up. And I mentioned in a previous video, but we got our Starlink in. I have not mounted it to the roof of the house yet or anything, so it's just here temporarily on the ground. So it's kind of getting some interruptions in the house. It's been working great until today, so I thought maybe it's the weather, but it says it should work right through this weather. So I came out just to see if it's got ice on it or something, but it doesn't. It looks good. More like rain. It's supposed to work in the rain, so I don't know. Maybe there's some satellite issues with Starlink right now. So I am waiting on a part. I'm gonna mount it to the, yeah, right up there. I just gotta wait for a part to show up with UPS, and I'll get that done. That's gonna be a totally separate video down the road of me installing this when it all shows up. But I did unbox it the other day, and I did video that, so I'll probably throw in some of that video right here. So I got home from work. Tanya had something sitting on the table. Let me show you what just showed up in the mail today. We've been waiting on this for a while. And yeah, it looks like Braxton or Tanya's already opened it. I was going to do an unboxing video, but I guess they've already unboxed it. So I'm going to take it apart, put it all on the table, and show you what we got. Well, right there's the actual, well, that's the mount probably. So let's guess the instructions. All right, let's go check on the goats. I don't want to be out here too long. It is kind of cold. Today is Friday, March 11th, and I think this should be our last cold front moving in, like severe cold front for us, for southern Oklahoma. 27 is pretty cold. So let's go check on the goats. Hi Gwen, you're doing good, girl. Can't wait to see that baby. So Oreo is still pregnant, no babies. Let's go check on all the babies though that we do have. Hi, beauty. They're all playing. That's a good sign. There's the big boy. He is still massive. Oh, you coming out? So let's see here. Let's make sure we have them all. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. We do. We have all the babies. Little tricks. What, Ginger? Oh, yeah? Oh, that was Ginger. That was Samoa. There's Ginger. Oh, she letting her eat now. Just for a second. What do you think, crybaby? Are you cold? You're shivering. There's Bottle Cap's 2 girls. They are pretty. There's the big boy. Look at him. Golly. Oh, really? You're already trying, huh? Comes natural. Crybaby. I think he's going to make a good buck sire. Beauty and her 2 boys. I love how they stand when they're cold. Okay, it's a little chilly out here, so I'm going to run inside to the barn and grab their feed. And if they don't get out and eat too much of the hay today, I may go out, come back and feed them later this evening as well, just a little bit. I'm probably not going to feed them a whole bucket full today, right now. That way I can feed them again a second time later this evening, just to help keep them warm. It's supposed to get right back up to 55 degrees tomorrow. So this is only like a 1.5 day thing, really. So it's not going to be cold too much longer. And then Sunday, 2 days from now, it's supposed to get up in the 60s, high 60s. So it's not going to be too bad. Let's go grab some feed. That boy is not even a week old. Hey guys, that's brother and sister right there. Hi buddy. right, I'm gonna go feed these dogs so they have plenty of food for the day. I'll probably come back out and feed the goats one more time before it gets dark. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the quick video. I know not a whole lot to it. I just want to show you we had one more winter storm. Mother Nature's never done until she says she's done. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you go down and hit that subscribe button for us. It really helps us out. Make sure you hit the like button and leave us a comment. We'll see you guys on the next video. Remember, do the good.